How much will a power steering pressure hose replacement cost? If you are experiencing a power steering pressure hose leak, you might be wondering how much it will cost to replace it. The price can vary quite a bit depending on several factors. For light-duty trucks, like a Chevrolet Silverado 1500, you can expect to pay between $400 and $700 for a replacement. On the other hand, if you have a heavy-duty truck or an 18-wheeler, the cost can rise significantly, typically ranging from $500 to $1,500 or more. This price difference is mainly due to the larger components and the complexity of accessing the hoses in bigger vehicles. When it comes to labor costs, they can range from $80 to $250 per hour for light-duty models. However, for 18-wheelers, you may need to go to specialized shops that often charge higher rates due to the expertise required. Several key factors influence the overall cost of replacing a power steering pressure hose. First, the parts themselves can be more expensive for heavy-duty hoses, as they need to withstand higher pressure and heat. This means the material costs can be higher compared to standard hoses. Next, labor is a significant factor. In larger trucks, accessing the power steering pressure hose may require removing engine components or subframes, which can add extra hours to the job. Additionally, the hydraulic fluid used in these systems is specific, and 18-wheelers often requiring larger volumes, which can also add to the total cost. For truck owners, it is essential to consider the risks of attempting a do-it-yourself repair. High-pressure lines need proper tools like torque wrenches, and safety precautions are a must. If the installation is not done correctly, it can lead to fluid leaks, damage to the pump, or even failures. If you notice a leak, it is crucial to address it promptly. Ignoring a power steering pressure hose leak can lead to steering failure, which is especially dangerous for loaded 18-wheelers. When choosing replacement hoses, consider whether to go for original equipment manufacturer parts or heavy-gauge aftermarket options. Heavy-duty trucks benefit from these choices, as they can handle the sustained stress better. One maintenance tip to keep in mind is to avoid using stop-leak additives. These can contaminate the system and lead to faster wear on the pump. Regular inspections of hose crimps and routing can help prevent failures caused by abrasion, which is common in long-haul trucks. For 18-wheelers, it is best to prioritize shops that have experience with commercial vehicle hydraulics. Standard auto technicians may not have the necessary equipment for large-scale repairs, and costs can reflect both the scalability of parts and the operational downtime during repairs. In summary, when considering the cost of replacing a power steering pressure hose, be prepared for a range of prices based on your truck size and the complexity of the job. Taking care of these issues promptly can save you from more significant problems down the road.